Welcome back to NorthShield Windows and Doors podcast. Today we're talking about 3 tips for energy efficient Windows installation. Window replacement is an important decision you can make for your home, but it does not come cheap. So before making a buying decision, you should be aware of all the elements of making your home energy efficient through window installation. There are essentially 3 elements to this: the material of window frame, the type of glass, and the type of windows. You can easily mix and match variations in these elements to come up with the right solution for your home. Types of window framing for energy efficient window installation. First, there's wood. Wood lends a classic vibe to the interiors and also offers a good insulation for the house. However, wooden window frames are high maintenance. They expand in a highly humid and wet climate and contract when cold. Thus, not the best option if you're staying in a rainy climate. Other materials would be a more durable fit. Next, aluminum. Aluminum is highly durable and it is compatible with various types of climates. They are even strong enough to withstand a hurricane. However, aluminum windows are not great at holding the heat. In a region like Winnipeg, this means you'll have to treat the aluminum frames with insulation coating to remain warm during winters. Last, vinyl windows. Vinyl windows frame installation is a better option for modern homes in Winnipeg. While some consider it to be a cheap alternative to other types of framing, the truth is a good vinyl window that offers durability and high insulation is budget friendly and not exactly the lowest price on the market. These window frames offer high insulation and prevent air leaks, thereby reducing your energy bill in the long run and preventing energy wastage. If you have a goal of building a green home or space, these frames are highly recommended. Next tip is the type of glass you choose for your window installation matters more than you think. Essentially, there are 3 ways you can make your windows energy efficient with the use of window panes. The distinction lies in the type of pane used. All serve a purpose and are not made the same. Therefore, it is important to understand your requirements before opting for the coolest thing on the market, lest it renders itself useless once installed. These panes should be on your list if you are serious about making your home energy efficient. One is argon gas-filled window installation. Argon gas-filled windows feature gas filling between layers of the panes. This gas ensures uniform installation throughout the year. This means no hot or cold air drafts and cold spots in your home during the winters. Therefore, you won't have to run your heater on for long during winters or keep the AC running for long to remain cozy indoors. The energy efficient design with professional window installation would prep your home to face whatever the weather brings. Next is double pane or triple pane window installation. Using this type of window installation prepares your home for the best kind of energy efficiency. The triple pane window also creates a noise barrier, preventing noise pollution. If you're living in a noisy neighborhood or at the city hub, it is important to soundproof your home to maintain the home ambience. Lastly, low E coating window installation. One of the less invasive ways of making your home energy efficient without major overhaul is to replace your window panes with a low E coating window installation. Low E coating has superior insulating features which makes it optimal for year-round use. During peak summers, it prevents the hot air from outside to affect the inside temperatures, and during winters, it keeps your home warm and cozy. This kind of insulation prevents air leaks and significantly reduces your energy bills all year round. The great thing about window installation or window replacement is you can customize as per your requirement. If you need optimal insulation, you could go for a triple pane glass with argon gas filling. Not sure how to make the right decision for your home? Well, we have your back. At NorthShield Windows and Doors, we offer a free estimate for your property based on your unique needs. Our team has years of experience in professional door and window installations. Call to book an appointment today. For Winnipeg, call 204-272-3725, and for Toronto, call 905-326-3444. Thank you for listening to NorthShield Windows and Doors podcast.